We are in for a treat today as Marisa Mariella of Marisa's Easy Kitchen is bringing the comforting, nostalgic traditions of Italian home baking to the comfort of your own kitchen with these new baking mixes.
And making it easy, too.
Yes, this looks so great. I mean, you have so many samples here today, but let's get started with what we're going to be making.
Absolutely. Actually, we just got back from Italy.
Yes.
And this was breakfast every day.
Oh,
okay, so we're bringing it home to your kitchen. So we're going to start off with ciambellone.
Okay.
There's a mix there. You can just add it to the bowl. Ciambellone is I don't know, maybe something in between sponge cake and pound cake.
Okay.
And with the mix, I'm using top quality ingredients, and we can use any liquid. I'm just using water right now because my daughter is dairy free.
Yeah.
You could use milk, non-dairy. You can even use apple cider, which makes a beautiful ciambellone. So you're going to mix.
Okay, I'm mixing.
So how easy is that? You need a fork and a bowl. I wanted something really easy that is no fuss, no mess in your kitchen. So you're going to keep stirring.
Okay, I'm mixing.
Yeah, I'm going to keep you working there. That's awesome. And as you keep mixing, I'm going to just talk about some variations here. So here we have a lemon blueberry ciambellone. So lovely.
That sounds so good.
Lovely for the spring and even in the fall, right?
Yes.
We have a double chocolate with chocolate chips, and then that apple cider one I've turned into little tea cakes.
Oh, look how cute!
Yeah, so I
sliced like in a mold.
I sliced up some apples in there, and if you have a donut mold, you can use a little squirt bottle
and just put
them in the donut mold. And so we have apple cider ciambellone donuts.
This comes together pretty quickly too.
Okay, so look at that batter. We're going to pretend that you've already mixed for about another minute. You're doing a great job. I can tell you've done this before.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we're going to add some blueberries to this one. The blueberries will not sink. The batter is stiff enough that it won't sink. And we've got some lemon zest. Keep stirring. You're doing a great job. Okay, and pretend you stirred for 2 minutes total.
Okay.
So I'm going to take that.
Go ahead.
So you can see this batter comes together. It's not like a pancake batter that you have to be careful, right?
And
look
it's
at that.
Thick
Beautiful.
Too. So all there's the flour, sugar,
everything,
baking soda, all
top quality ingredients, just the way my mom used to make it, right? It was important to me to use top quality ingredients.
Of course.
So then you pour it in your pan and you bake, and you'll have a lovely dessert.
That is so. I mean,
ciambellone.
Ciambellone.
Brava, you said it very well. Okay, we're going to go on to biscotti. So the same idea. We've made it easy enough that you just add the mix to the bowl. We're going to add 5 tablespoons of a liquid. I'm using water here.
Okay.
But again, you can use milk if you like, non-dairy, any liquid at all.
It's less water.
5? I can't count now.
That was 5.
Okay, we're gonna go with that.
It was 5.
And we need a very neutral oil. You could use melted butter here.
Okay.
So this is 4. Very neutral oil. So you're gonna mix that, and it's gonna become very crumbly.
Yeah, because it's gonna look almost like I guess a cookie dough.
Yeah, not quite. But very crumbly.
Okay.
And you notice the batter was nice and thick and very creamy looking. This is gonna stay crumbly, and then that's when you add whatever variations you want. You could bake it just like this, just like the ciambellone. You don't have to add anything to it.
But
we
there's
just
different
want
options.
it to be a little creative. It's important to play with your food, right?
That sounds fun. And I guess is that what you're hoping to bring to people's kitchens?
Absolutely. Bring the kids into the kitchen. Have them decide what they like to add. We're going to add the classic almond, right?
Oof,
maybe some chocolate chips. You could add some cranberries if you like.
That's so fun.
Dates, whatever you like. Okay, you can leave it like that. Okay. I'm just going to show you. It should hold together.
It's kind of like sand, I guess.
A little bit, right. But see how it holds together?
Yeah.
So then you put it in a baking sheet like this, and you're going to shape it into a log because this becomes a biscotto.
Okay.
So, you know, in Italian, the word biscotto refers to any kind of cookie. Any kind of cookie.
Well, there you go.
It's in North America that we realize or, associate biscotti with those twice-baked cookies, right? So I have to tell you the truth, I don't really like them twice-baked because they go a little hard and crunchy.
Okay.
So I just bake them like this.
Bake them once?
Yeah. So you notice I added an egg wash. You could add some sprinkles, regular sugar, sanding sugar.
We have about 30 seconds.
Move that out of the way. I'm going to show you this one coming out of the oven. Can you smell it?
Yes.
Okay.
So beautiful.
So I'm going to move this.
Yes. 30 seconds.
There we go. Look at that.
Look
Let
how
it cool a little bit, and then you slice
cut it to
up.
size.
Look, I have double chocolate. chocolate. I have an apple spice, cranberry, and dates.
Real quick, where can people get some of these mixes?
So available at Nardini's and
Okay.
also on marisamariella.com, and we do some online shopping.
That's so
Okay,
amazing.
we're gonna finish this off Italian
Quickly,
style.
we gotta go. But Marisa,
have
thank
a
you so
coffee.
much.
There we go.
And here,
Piece of
ching, ching.
ciambellone.
We'll have this up on our
Salute.
website.
There we go.
Salute.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All'italiana. Thank you.